Melody, be careful. Are you jumping? Were you jumping on the bed? What are you doing? Silly. Hey, stay on that bed. Stay on there. What's wrong? You want to get down? Uh-oh. Hi. Your shoe? Did you put it on? Uh-oh, put your shoe on. Put your shoe on, sweetie. Wrong foot. Put it on the other foot. Almost got it. Try again. You got it! You put it on! Good job! Almost all the way. Are you trying to get it on better? Yay! Good job! You put your shoe on. Silly. I'll help take off your shoes. Stop. There. Oh no, it came off. Biting it is not going to help, honey. Just try to put it on again. Here. Uh-oh. There, I fixed it. Now you're just being goofy. Melody, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Right there. Over there, go get it. Ball. Good job. Can you bring it to Mommy? Bring Mommy the ball. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.